It's all about that sense of adventure and discovery. Let's go just around that corner and see what's over there.
I feel the fear. I hear it, I sense it. But I don't have to listen to it.
One of the coolest feelings that a human can experience is to feel so small in a world that's so big.
The challenge is to find the feeling of flow, climb really fast, and keep it safe.
Where's Alex?
To say it's safe would be a total lie. It's definitely dangerous, but we would try to make it as reckless as possible. Or let me redo that. As you don't, God damn it. Don't make this. Try to, the least amount of recklessness. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nina Williams is doing something no other woman has done before. Climbing harder, taller boulders. She is truly inspiring, but it's really scary.
Were you nervous?
Yeah, I kind of want to puke.
People ask, why do you have to add this death-defying level? I love that feeling of absolute control and confidence in the no-fall zone.
Just going for it.
I have to stay calm, really keep it together.
When we started climbing in Joe's Valley, it was a culture clash.
Climbers, we were rebellious, like a punk rock, fuck everything.
In our community, we're cowboys and coal miners.
We're quite conservative.
The locals, they didn't know what we were doing.
Seeing the strange guys with mattresses on their back, what in the world?
I wasn't exactly the poster boy for the Mormon community.
A lot of town people were really against the climbers.
Are these guys going to kidnap our kids?
We need to connect before it explodes.
The nose speed record is one of the big games in climbing.
When two monkeys crawl out of the boulders and take the record from Alex Honnold.
You're like, what?
I did not see that one coming, that's for sure.
At the top, they had no gear between them.
No gear, no falls!
I mean, it's sketchy.
Yeah, it's sketchy, but that's why I've got the record and you don't.
Alex recruited me.
It's so heroic.
Tommy and Alex together, the titans of the climbing world, team up to take the record back.
I never realized how freaking fun speed climbing is. 16 minutes faster. But everybody thinks it's pretty dangerous.
Okay, Alex, keep it a little tight here.
The main thing is that you shouldn't fall off ever. Whoa, you okay?
When you're in the mountains on a big adventure, life is so incredibly simple. The superficial things just evaporate.
And you feel light and unencumbered and free.